nag-agree din po lahat na ang trend ay mas mabuti kaso sa padagdag ng highways, especially in Calabarzon, Metro Manila, and Region 3, while we neglect the rest of the country. So, question, did we put funding 5-10 billion for the Mindanao Railway?
Well, Mr. President,
Mr. President, yes, with the permission
Yes.
of our minority floor leader
Go ahead,
and
Majority
the
Leader.
sponsor, maybe we should act on the motion first, and after the motion is acted upon and voted upon, the good minority floor leader could ask the questions. If it's all right with the minority floor leader.
Yes,
Yeah.
whatever the pleasure of the majority. For as
Thank you.
long as, Mr. President, if there are certain changes acceptable to the chairman, we can still make it.
Yes.
Yes, we're not approving it on,
Yes.
with this motion, we're not approving anything on second reading.
Yes.
yet. Yeah, okay.
So I
Yeah.
would like to further continue with the motion, Mr. President, if we can.
All right. What we are facing now in the motion is for us to make this the basis
Yes,
of the
Mr.
second
President.
reading. All right. Any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. President, we did not
Yeah, you may
object
continue.
at this time because the chairman informed us that tumatagal yung line by line. But with your patience, we just want to ask a few questions and see whether acceptable na ito, because we did pass concurrent resolution number 4 na kung saan lahat tayo nagsabi na dapat totally transparent. So sa aking pagkaintindi, pag sinabing transparent, pag nakita ng media at ng ating mga kababayan itong committee report, alam nila kung anong laman at hindi. Having said that, between complete transparency and a reenacted budget, parehong may tama sa ating bansa. And to be fair to the chairman, he has promised us that Saturday,
Yes.
lalabas yung line by line, and before the third reading nandun.
Yes.
But please understand na hindi kami komportableng bumoto today based on this if we're not able to clarify kung ano talaga yung mga laman. But I'd like to put on record that even informally, meaning not here, whether it's in the lounge, in my office, in his office, Senator Win has been totally transparent of what is in what are the changes and what are the committee report. Wala tayong tanong doon, no? Even sa majority, we had a instant caucus yesterday for some tricky issues, and I appreciate the conversation. But in the spirit of true transparency, and because I am inspired today, because Senator Lito Lapid is focused and intently listening to me. So when that happens, I would like to really do my best. Thank you, Senator Lapid, for being here today and focusing on that. Actually, ang questions ko, Senator Lapid, nasa Region 3 din. So, Mr. Chairman, 2 questions lang sa trains. Yung Mindanao Railway, but because I'm reminded, because Senator Lapid is here, naglagay din ba tayo ng pondo sa Clark Subic? Because ang sinabi ng DOTR,
2026.
hinalo pa nila yung Clark Subic train sa Central Luzon papuntang Southern Luzon. Eh kung hihintayin mo pa yon, tatagal pa ng husto. But in those 2 instances, they agreed that if we put a little bit of money, they can start the program, especially sa Mindanao Railway, because kompleto na yon. Nagka-problema lang sa funding with the Chinese concessional loans, no?
Yun sa information ho namin during the budget briefing and also yung mga briefings before, apparently nag-withdraw ang DOTR doon sa Chinese ODA because of delay, and also wala nang interest for both parties to pursue it. But in the 2025 budget, under the unprogrammed funds, meron silang inallocate as a program. Sorry, under the program funds, may na-allocate na 200 million pesos. And ito yung ginagamit nila for preliminary works. In
Yes.
fact, may nakita ko sa news na meron na silang mga parcellary surveying, so ginagamit nila ito. For 2026 wala po dahil walang loan na request.
Yes, but Mr. President, that's why we have interpellations, di ba? So ang hindi naging proactive ni hindi naging reactive ang DOTR doon. Parang sa kanila hintayin natin yung loans. Ballpark lang, magkano ang total cost ng subway sa Metro Manila?
Okay. Sorry, may dagdag lang po ako, Senate Minority Leader. Sa 2026, merong 1 billion for the Mindanao Railway under GOP counterpart. Ang wala lang doon yung loan. So they're expecting hopefully na magkaroon ng loan in the next few.
I'll
for
not
next year,
belabor the point,
2026.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, but just to give you a apples to apples comparison, magkano po in general yung ballpark figure ng ating Metro Manila subway? It's about 500 billion ba?
Alam ko mga ano ho yan, mga, if my memory serves me correctly, mga 400, parang 400 billion dollars.
Okay.
400
So-
billion dollars. Sorry, $4 billion.
$4 billion.
Yeah.
So mga 200 billion,
Billion pesos. Yeah,
Okay.
more or less. Mga
Sa phase 1 ng Mindanao Railway, it's 100B. And they said that if they get 10B, they can hit the ground running. So what is 10B compared to the 6.7 trillion at meron tayong unprogrammed na 170. So if you want, lagyan natin ng 5B sa program, 5B sa unprogram, although we're against the unprogram. But my point is, Mr. President, hanggang kailan maghihintay yung mga taga Mindanao na alam naman natin pag sinabi mong next year, loan pa lang yon, that's another 2-3 years, then another 2-3 years bago ma-implement. But they said because nga nag-pull out lang yung financing,
Chinese funder.
everything is ready. And even if they get funding from whether the Japanese or the Koreans, the Australians, wherever, no? May 25% counterpart pa rin naman, which is 25 billion. So they did not put any, there's no hesitation in their part. Tinanong ko diretso, kung bibigyan namin kayo ng 10 to 25, kaya nyo na ba simulan? Yes. So in fact, I would even say, why doesn't the Maharlika Fund invest there? O why don't we package it sa ibang mga oligarchs natin na kung kukuha kayo ng mga highway na gagawin yung tollway, pero eto naman, ano yun rin. But ang point, Mr. President, this is such a great opportunity. Nalagyan natin ng 5-10 billion. Let's not let this opportunity go away. Yesterday, we were speaking about 50 billion. We were talking about certain pricing.
1 billion.
So meron tayong leeway doon, eh, 'di ba? So may I appeal to the chair that whether it's 5 sa unprogram, 5 sa program, let's show Mindanao na despite the politics that is going on, hindi sila casualty sa politics, 'di
Ako
ba?
ay support po yung Mindanao Railway dahil alam po natin na ang Mindanao is our food basket. Diyan po talaga nanggagaling marami sa ating mga produce at ang weather ho nila relatively smooth throughout the year. Pero ang transportation logistics, mahal din eh kung hindi ho gagawin yung ating railway system. So magandang idea ho yan.
I'm not
Minority
that
Leader.
sure, Mr. President, about yung